Step Down machine is a single leg exercise which targets all three of the gluteal muscles. It has an angled step so that you can hip hinge forward to target the glutes instead of the quads. It has a lever here to help you adjust the shoulder pads to your correct height, which then allows you to slowly push through the heels to really target the glutes through the exercise. I'll just show you now. So you can step up, place your foot onto the level, you push the lever in, holding onto the handle to then adjust the shoulder height to where it fits onto your shoulders. You want it to be comfortable, so then you can slowly push down through your heel, taking your time with this exercise, and then just as slowly as you push down, slowly coming up through the movement, making sure you're hinged forward through those hips to target all three gluteal muscles.